In the journey of language acquisition, there is a common myth that fluency is a destination reached only through hours of grueling study, expensive private tutors, and thick grammar textbooks. However, the reality of how our brains actually learn a language is much simpler and far more accessible. Fluency is not about knowing English, it is about doing English. Most learners find themselves trapped in the intermediate plateau, where they can understand a movie or read a book but freeze when it's time to speak. This happens because their study habits are intense but rare. Studying for 3 hours once a week is like trying to fill a bucket with a fire hose once a month. Most of the water spills out. To truly master English, you need a drip irrigation system, small, daily, and consistent contact. By dedicating just 10 minutes every single day to a focused routine, you keep your brain in English mode. This constant exposure prevents the forgetting curve and trains your subconscious to process English as a natural extension of your own thoughts rather than a foreign code that needs decoding. The anatomy of the 10-minute daily routine. The beauty of a 10-minute routine is that it removes the barrier of "I don't have time." Everyone has 10 minutes, while the coffee is brewing, during a commute, or right before bed. To make these 10 minutes effective, they must be highly structured, moving from passive input to active output. The routine begins with active listening, 2 minutes. In this stage, you aren't just hearing background noise, you are focused on the music of the language. By listening to a short, simple audio clip where you understand the majority of the context, you prime your brain to recognize the rhythm and tone of native speakers. This is immediately followed by physical shadowing, 2 minutes. Speaking is a physical skill, much like playing a sport or a musical instrument. By repeating the audio out loud, copying the speed, the pauses, and the emotion, you are building muscle memory in your tongue and jaw. You are literally teaching your mouth how to dance in English. The routine then shifts toward cognitive processing with personalization, 2 minutes. This is where the magic happens. A phrase like, "I'm going to the store," is useless if you don't use it. By changing it to, "I'm going to the gym," or, "I'm going to visit my mother," you anchor the English language to your actual life. This creates a neural connection between the words and your reality, making it nearly impossible to forget. Following this is continuous free talk, 2 minutes. This is the ultimate test of flow. For 120 seconds, you speak without stopping about any topic at all. The goal here is not to be correct, the goal is to be continuous. If you can't think of a word, you describe it. This forces your brain to find workarounds, which is the exact skill you need during a real-life conversation. Finally, the routine concludes with reflective synthesis, 2 minutes. Instead of just stopping, you take a moment to analyze your performance. Identifying a specific word that tripped you up or a sound you struggled to make allows you to walk into the next day with a clear target for improvement. The psychological shift, progress over perfection. The biggest obstacle to English fluency isn't a lack of vocabulary, it is the fear of being wrong. Many learners remain silent because they are waiting for their grammar to be perfect. This routine is designed to break that psychological barrier. By engaging in this 10-minute cycle, you are essentially giving yourself permission to be messy. Fluency is about the effective communication of ideas, not the flawless execution of rules. When you practice daily, you begin to treat English as a tool rather than a school subject. You start to notice that native speakers don't always follow the rules either. This shift in mindset, prioritizing progress over perfection, is what allows your confidence to explode. Within a week of this routine, your anxiety begins to fade. Within a month, your friends and colleagues will notice you're speaking with more ease. Within 6 months, you won't just be speaking English, you will be living it. The secret isn't a magic app or a hidden grammar rule, it is the discipline to show up for yourself for 10 minutes every single day.